Okay maqela. Masenze kanje maqela. Isantya and EP by uGrizzly. uGrizzly madoda xa nimfuna namfumana apha emfuleni. Uyabo? Udrophile madoda i-EP yakhe. Mninzi umculo namhlanje maqela. Mninzi umculo namhlanje maqela but masiqale apha. Sifuna into ekhawulezileyo. Sijaji uba ekuse yebhudi le nto uza nayo iyanambitheka na, iyatyeka. Le nto uza nayo bhuti iyatyeka, iyehla na apha ezindlebeni because kaloku lona umculo silindele into yokuba ibe ngumculo ozofida indlebe. You understand? Ungathi ndiyenze le nto yokuba ndiyithanda, nathi masiyithande ingapheleli apho. Masiye bhuti, singalibazisani. Masiye bhuti, khandixelele uphethe ntoni na ngesandla wena bhuti. Grizzly ngelinye ilanga.
It's kind of different this time around. Namngelinye ilanga ndizoboba nizobona, namngelinye ilanga ndizomnxiba umaXhosa, namngelinye ilanga bazovuya xa bendibona, namngelinye ilanga impumelelo ndizoyibona, namngelinye ilanga ndizoboba nizobona, namngelinye ilanga ndizomnxiba umaXhosa, namngelinye ilanga bazovuya xa bendibona, namngelinye ilanga impumelelo ndizoyibona. Silala siguqile sithandaza sithandazile, isithule sithandazela uba umdali makazive. You try to focus up and pay no mind to the competing. I guess don't fuck umfuto, it's the pressure that they feeling. Sezojika izinto ndizosebenzela isilahlo, mama akwazi usika iphiko. Nditeke itafilo, mama akwazi usika iphiko. Ndimfake eflightini akhe abone ezinye izinto. Loza nami ushintsho, khumula ndisaqala babegeza babelaha. Now the album's nominated and I'm praying singayilanda. Odlamini bona banami xa ndiwela kulo mathafa. Sayeka no request uya kwi-booking bayasilanda. Namngelinye ilanga ndizoboba nizobona, namngelinye ilanga ndizomnxiba umaXhosa, namngelinye ilanga bazovuya.
Saye ku-request sagqitha kuloo nto. Xa besifuna bazosithatha bhuti. Simple as that.
Xa bendibona, namngelinye ilanga impumelelo ndizoyibona, namngelinye ilanga ndizoboba nizobona, namngelinye ilanga ndizomnxiba umaXhosa, namngelinye ilanga bazovuya xa bendibona, namngelinye ilanga impumelelo ndizoyibona.
Uyanikhathaza my producer, my selector, uyanikhathaza bhuti. Ikhona into yenzayo apha kum, ikhona into oyicofayo apha ngemva, ikhona into oyicofayo. Ewe ubhuti uyayithetha le nto uyayithethayo imbilini and ke ngoku andazi noma ngompho okhapha omnye, ndiyazi noma ngumy selector okhapha ubhuti Grizzly okanye ngubhuti Grizzly okhapha. Ikhona into eyenzekayo, khona into eyenzekayo mhlawumbi ndizayi-understanda as uba sisiya. Ouch. Fire. Yo. The first song definitely at 9. Definitely at 9 in ilishe into engekenzeki apha kum. Ipholise inxeba engekabi nalo.
Them Chris, I got a text from a nigga I used to ride with, said he wanna be part of the big boys. But when he do shit, it don't feel too legit, man. I swear it just feel like a decon. What do you mean that I'm proud of the way? And I started the way and can't act like a big dog. That had me pissed off, had to make sure you get out of my inbox. I'm feeling like King Kong, what you can see, don't go by his fullback. I've been seeing Nico, most of my day ones saying I changed. Focus on day ones, I go by change. Or back in the days, my life wasn't easy, gon' never want my nigga get what I want. Fast forward now, I got tangible motion, deposit for shows is paid up front. I got a bottle of this and a bottle of that, and it's funny I don't even drink. If I got a problem with this and a problem with that, then my people take care of it quick. Doing the hard work, I put it in, put myself in a position to win. Niggas just ask how I did what I did, but I can't let it slip, cause I got a text from a nigga I used to ride with, said he wanna be part of the big boys. But when he do shit, it don't feel too legit, man. I swear it just feel like a decon. What do you mean that I'm proud of the way? And I started the way and can't act like a big dog. That had me pissed off, had to make sure you get out of my inbox. I got a text from a nigga I used used to ride with said he wanna be part of the big boys. But when he do shit, it don't feel too legit, man. I swear it just feel like a decoy. What do you mean that I'm proud of the way? And I started the way and carried like a big.
Hey, my selector. Hey, my selector. No, Ningasa man swap. Because yeah, my shit up like old friends, bruh. I recently went through this thing. Yeah. His story might not be the same as mine, but damn bam.
Big dog, that had me pissed off, and to make sure you get out of my inbox. Yeah, either way, I'ma get what I want. Either way, they show love and got slime, even when they don't know what I'm on. Either way, this all time outside. The money don't matter, I might just go broke just to show you what happened. The money gon' get me, I'm saying it backwards like me gon' get money. I'm raising the standards like imani ndo ibamba, imani ndo ibamba. Asala so tired, imani ndo ibamba.
Producer, who no. Let's find out who produced this thing, chat. Like we need to know who the fuck produced this thing. Fuck, even information, man. I'm gonna exit again, Gloin. None does I find out. What the fuck? What the fuck? To play downloads now. Now I'm gonna find out. Cause what, bruh? Options, credits. Let's check. What's in this? Why producer is not mentioned, bruh? Did he produce it himself? Cause wow. What's in this endabeni? Uyapheka lo muntu upheka nayo okanye uyaziphekela. I don't know. How many I had a snippet of this one. Oh my days.
Asinobasayingana ukesaphuma sibuya ngolala koxexa madala. She wanna ride me, she's like a cowboy. Americana strela de tuanda ziwe mthatha suka emfuja qine kanana thapha kuma ezabonyana ngayimane lalchilo ngenzo kwesibina yoflu ngokifeature ikilo intoni kekeeper ndafika ndakhaba amaqaka bandibiza ngesticko. Shoot to your face alifihle, spade is a spade, if ayiyo ayiyo kapitena got something to benefit khona noyithenga sithenga nempilo. Ubalisa utyia betito unondaba uxakeke zizo kwebingalo we feel like a free throw. Shumashala kashatshiwe video sebendibiza ngotata no-cheesy ngiqabela izandla ndayimane khala abantwana thiyaba kume zopemonyana. Asinobasalingana ukhe saphuma sibuya ngolala koxexa amacala. She wanna ride me just like a cowboy. Americana strela de tuanda ziwe mthatha suka emfuja qine kanana thiyaba kume zopemonyana. Asinobasalingana ukhe saphuma sibuya ngolala koxexa amacala. She wanna ride me just like a cowboy. Americana strela de tuanda ziwe mthatha suka emfuja qine kanana thiyaba kume zopemonyana.
My sons indeed, move out the way, let me cough and sneeze. You niggas ain't really a body, and I was thinking about it. I'm really working for me, you niggas cannot run it. I'm really back, rolling lips up, let me see, you gotta stake that. Really about the gas, ain't worried about the paycheck. Flow so sick, boy, really need a gas mask, yes sir. I done a ride, I was gigging my bros on the side. We was leading, we came in 5. Fuck the genie, my wish is a lie. Wait, I ain't done yet, I'm with the birds, no feathers, it's rough here. Niggas running through the hood, ain't no guy here. If you ain't running, then you know I'm like that here. Bit around the bush, cause I'm trying to get your last man.
Yo, Tatanu Storm nimse goal. Tatanu Storm nimse goal. Yisalomfana goal. You know whoa. What in the air is this now? Whoa.
Asinobasalingana ukhe saphuma sibuya ngolala koxexa amacala. She wanna ride me just like a cowboy. Americana strela de tuanda ziwe mthatha suka emfuja qine kanana thiyaba kume zopemonyana.
Tulubheka nifundiswe nyana bekumnyama lazisa nje ukukhanya phuma icala macaca nje icala advice uyiqala noyiqala fiki
Masambe Liro the Hustler.
Ugambo kwavele kwacaca ngibanye nomdala ngalungisa ukuhlala cela ihlelo kwavela amacala thula umntana wadlela amacwala I'm the goat kwedina nantanga wangqina nenhlanga bathula babhawa kade nsiza kwedini usakhaza khula ngoku kwedini usuphapha akuzama kwedini usadwaba ndifuna amanani izophila lendlala nawe apha kwaxesha lodlala
Apha kuma sirepa ngonyana asinoba salingana uke saphuma sibuya ngolala kocaca amacala
Ikiwe boots.
She wanna ride me just like a cowboy Americana still at the tour Nasiwe mthatha suka imfuja Kline kanana Nti apha kuma sirepa ngonyana
Wathi uNicki Minaj kena these rappers my sons. Ucho nalomfo. Fire. No, fire, 9. Let's put it on. Like it's not hip hoppy, like and as a hip hop fan, I would not give it a 9, but now it was so like. And we went in old friends, fire 8. Onyana, yo, that's a 9.5, bro. That shit is fire, bro. That shit is fire. I don't know. Fuck. I'm glazing. Okay, I'm glazing. 9s. Yo. Why not 6s? I can't. 6s is too low, bro. What the fuck? I'm glazing. Yo, chat, I'm glazing. Yo. Nah, I'm riding this. Oh, pause. What? Yo, chill. Okay, Let's lock in. Okay, mntakwethu with Upro Child masive babathini. Kelemini.
Cook it Yeah, we gon' be superstars, and we gon' take this shit far. But I don't know she's not about God. Bonge baso born, ole tuya tom. Stella my daughter. Jama linga pela, but I no pela ni gone. Tina wista sela baso pele la pibo. Babunsi mutengi songa, otisha la bekonda. No, you to be call and the ben calculated cause. Abandon way to my bacon, bebon. Gogo putom dala when some tulo we are hot. Itaimane Gala la panda, izama, pasha, ngapeli mandla, mtakatata Ndingumzekelo wokuba nawe ungazenzela Bambisandla sami ngoba imnyama lendlela Imnyama le, imnyama Angizukwazi ukama ninedwa Angizukwazi ukama ninedwa Imnyama le, imnyama Angizukwazi ukama ninedwa Angizukwazi ukama ninedwa Sandla sami mntakwethu ungapheli mandlela Izophuma ilanga Sandla sami mntakwethu ungapheli mandlela Izophuma ilanga Akulendlela mlandi nawe Ngicela ungikhusele ndikubhawe
ngifike kwisizwe ndikubhale ngibaxelele ngawo ukuba uliqhawe qhawe isandla ndisihlambe umthola kanagunya kulona umzimba somakame eyakhe chapter ndivale fumeni khama kaneke ndihlale amadimoni siwakhabe fika pendlini ngesifane sibonakala inzame unzame nami endlini funa ufika ndibazame umpro yena kudala wazamba ephanda phahla ungaphela amandla mdaka mama umsekelo woba na ungazenzela bamba isandla sami dada inzima lendlela.
When the night get cold, I'll be my shelter. Thandazo yami xa ingafiki ipima leta. Uhamba ufike nokabaya babengiqeka bethi sozenbe yinto uthi mabayekho undexter. Now the boys up, they tryna get my paper. Ain't got it all, but it's never like the first time. I used to grind harder, bona babehleka but ngoku I'm very far. Nsabeva xa bethetha. Thanks to heavy no star. If it wasn't for you, I'd never make it this far. Levela inzima, ayikholula futhi mnyama. If unganyusa iskipa sami umqolo ugcwele izikhazi. Ezinye izinto kumele uzigcine till you die. Ezinye nobuya zithanda kumele uziyeke zivaye. Iphupha lakho noba kunjani hlala nalo. Don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try.
Khona nginoyithetha ngale ngoma Denville yeah bet yo good indlela oyisetup ngayo ngikhathazile so I need to vibe now yo let's vibe yo shout out to Pro Child and MEK. Askan ayegi
lahlekile umntana abantu uthathekile bathi mashine ibalekile ukakathathu uyap everyday anzuphendula ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile
Askan ayegile
sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile
Askan ayegile
sekuwe ndilahlekile umntana abantu
sebenga ayegile Nthekuwe ayegile Askan ayegile Nthekuwe ayegile Askan ayegile yo imagine now kukhona imagine Askan at the back ayegile Askan ayegile Askan ayegile Askan yo bro masamze remix ta boy
uthathekile bathi mashine ibalekile ukakathathu uyap everyday anzuphendula ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ngithi kakhulu anohlele nje phendula isithuba sekudala ke nakunakusa uthe kanti bafuna esisikhundla uthe kanti bafuna indlela ngidizela nolilizela bazonina niphume ejele nimandela adikizela Fuck I look like talking to you when he feature one is the salary yako. Fuck I look like talking to you when he features the falls and the key applicato. And I
yo get pressure put get pressure put get pressure what
told you I'm good regardless. That man any cool I can't tell. All that talking gon' make you a target. Mitsubishi Johnny, I'm in a target. Take one deal lahlekile umntana abantu uthathekile bathi mashine ibalekile ukakathathu uyap everyday anzuphendula ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndilahlekile umntana abantu uthathekile bathi mashine ibalekile ukakathathu uyap everyday anzuphendula ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile sekuwe ndixakekile bandixakekile udlamini mhlobekile ngoba thetha bavulisekile busy kakhulu ngibanile focus bala kakhulu ke kodwa ngifuna udrop iza no-escom akhome pocket vault kunokuza yithi thu akekho bolt etu bakhala bathi zizi Spanish sakho sinibeka emazweni alabuka funa ukubona kodwa ababuki benza kakhulu job isandla I'm tryna prove yakhona ngikhala obe nozamo phethe iklama ayisuka abaliboni ngo-Stevie Wonder lahlekile umntana abantu uthathekile
yo except well lesithi wa hey qhubeka umvuvu trepa lahlobo phanda bhura ngibe honest man ngiyuqale wena uphanda intoni ne relationship ngiyuqale yena ubra umgangatho unyuse kakhulu ubhura nani uphanda phakho uyayazi uba urongo that trapping
azophendula ndixakekile
aska
sekuwe ndixakekile ngithi kakhulu anohlele nje iphendula isithuba sekudala ke nabo ngabuza uthe kanti bafuna esisikhundla uthe kanti bafuna yini ngidizela nolilizela bazongilila ngiphume ejele inimandela adikizela Fuck I look like talking to you when he feature one is the salary yako Fuck I look like talking to you when he features the force and here picanto And I told you I'm good regardless That man any cool I can't care All that talking gon' make you a target Mitsubishi Johnny I'm in a target Take one lahlekile umntana abantu uthathekile
That was fire. Okay? That was fire. Trap too hard. Okay, so we are kataza, we are trapper at the same time, and you can rap. We are trapper, you can rap. We are kataza, we are was storytelling. Okay, we have everything. Only on 6 songs. Temba Labo. Ka flex again, ka flex. Temba Labo masmele. Temba Labo butin.
So I'm happy to finally announce that my album is coming out in May.
Who would've known it would be me? Who would've known it would be me? And every time I try to sit myself up on the bench, everybody's eyes looking at me like get back in the field.
J. Jody. What is this now? J. Jody back as well. Yeah.
We don't care about your sweat, boy. You better put that work in. Don't you stop until your drinks. I just really feel like everybody's coming for my neck. But when you're the first hope, it's kinda hard to second guess. You just got.
Do you see why, bruh, I want to do a Ikathon so bad, bruh? Do you see why I want to do Ikathon, bruh? So these gems, these dudes, these guys are from the hood. These guys, look, listen to this guy. The intellect, the projection, the wordplay, the sophistication, the way they listen to music, the beat, the way the album and the EP is placed. Okay, ngokuzofila kanje. Masikhaleze simthi engabi kabikho kulo zone. Like, bruh, this shit is perfect, bruh. Ngabantu abasuke loshile. Otherwise, let me also advertise myself if I'm doing a casseton. So a casseton, we're doing now a stream. We go from hood to hood. So I'll tell artists from that hood, maybe or two, to take us through the hood. Take us maybe during the day. We're doing a YouTube vlog where we're vlogging. Like say, okay, usise Chisanyama, usise Texereng, usise Shoprite, usise window ezazwayo. Represent nani yonke. For instance, basiye no Brian Flynn during the day usal sports that are well known guys. Like if umuntu angathi ufuna umfuleni usingamsa kwezo ndawo, put it there, Casseton, put it on YouTube. Then during the night, yena mhlambi with one guy and maybe other people, mhlambi other influencers zibakhona now in the stream, we're streaming. We call 10 artists, like 10 abantu like i-rappers itself now, kanye singers, whoever. Yabo. We put them on the stream. Bona bazoba judge. although the first 30 minutes of the segment or the first hour is gonna be about them just vibing, but now we're gonna have 10 people from the hood, not people from the outside. We're gonna talk about people from, we want to see the talent from the hood. Then we're gonna be a judge, and then we're gonna have one winner, and fully take. Anyway, cool. The date is gonna be out as as well. We already spoke to this guy as well. Grisita. Seyivumile sizofana ase ngidate wara check that out. Otherwise you're gonna bang that one. I'm gonna abuse that one.
Gotta watch your step, and I know by sakalaza ngwewedi temalabo, and ubomi bumatasa ngwewedi temalabo, no bubomi abumanga ngwewedi temalabo, na bulengu magaklaga ngwewedi temalabo. Keep your head up, you lost the east and find a way to get your bread up, and you gotta do it better than everybody around you. Be a
Did you say W Songa? What?
teacher, find a way to share some lessons, and you can only really hope they get the message. Numbers don't lie, and I reflect a couple thousand. My haters put in work, they tryna make this shit about them, so that's 30,000 easy. That's if anybody's counting. Couple OGs conflicted how I did that shit without them. It was never luck, and I just feel like everything that I was doing was just lacking and never real enough. They thought it was luck. Now they wanna cut, but I'ma call they bluff. Superstar mentality, I got them in a corner, and it's honestly so sad to see. Everybody's listening right now and really tapping in. I'm waiting for that 20K spins. Until then, I might not laugh again. Yeah. Until then, I might not laugh again. And it's put in work trying to make this shit about it. That's if anybody's counting.
I don't wanna lie, chat. That is a good body of work. Chat, that is a good body of work. For 6 songs, to have all emotions in 6 songs, that is a tough one. Anyway, I understand, but we just want to vibe these days. We just want to have. That's why I'm just trying to look like a now. But yo, I feel this guy. Except, like, subscribe, do what you gotta do. It's your boy Extra, etc. Let me see you two on the next Kassathon. Hood to hood, corner, but Kupuka, we're going up. Yabo, Sanja EP, the tour is out. Yaqalisa Mfuleni this week. We got ezinye days Puma. The album is, the EP is fire. It's out. Go support. Umzita is fire. You can, shout out to you people. You are almost ready. Today, it's cool, but niggas, mucho.